All right, welcome everyone. Today I'd like to share a project I put together utilizing the MERN tech stack. I had a lot of fun putting this together, and I hope that you see the joy and beauty in its functionality like I do. I made a functioning website for an imaginary small business that repairs bicycles that we named Chuy's Bike Repair. First off, I deployed two domains using render.com. This first one that we're on now is actually the API, which was constructed on MongoDB. While there's nothing really to see from the client side, this is where all of the data for the site will actually live. So any and all CRUD operations that are sent from our client-facing website are going to go to and from this domain. That being said, let's take a look at our front-end website. If we go directly to the domain, chuysbikerepair.onrender.com, we see a simple public-facing page that will give some details for our imaginary business that a potential customer might like to know. If they were to Google bike shops within their area, they might come upon our page. We have a brief description of our store, its address located at 123 Not a Real Street in Not San Antonio, and give a little bit of information about the owner, whose name is Chuy, last name probably. Now, behind this public-facing page is the employee login with the ticket system in which they fix and work on the bikes. Let's say that I'm a college student working there part-time named Diego. I would log in using my credentials, click sign in, and there we can see in the footer that I'm logged in and that I'm only an employee in the structure of business and not a manager or Chuy, who's the owner and admin for our site. I can view tickets that have been assigned to me, and I can also edit and update their completion status as needed. Save this, and we can see this is complete. Also, if I needed to pass a ticket to a different worker, our employee does have that capability. Let's go back to the home page, and you can add new tickets. Let's create them. If I were to create them and pass them off, need new tires, to a different employee, I would see that it's not assigned to me and I wouldn't see it on my page. Oh, I need a body text. Need new tires. And then we can save that, and that new ticket that I created is not in my landing page. So we only can see so much as an employee. So this is why I really love the functionality of this website, is that depending on your role, you can have different access and capabilities on it. So let's sign out as Diego and sign back in as Chuy, the owner and admin of this site. As we can see, Chuy has a lot more options as opposed to Diego. When he clicks view tickets, we can see all the tickets in their states of completion, as well as edit tickets that weren't assigned to him. Also, only Chuy, the manager, can have the option to delete tickets. So this one that Diego just created that was assigned to Carlos, we can delete, and we can see that by using the trash icon in the upper right-hand corner. We can go back. We can also navigate using these icons in the top right-hand corner again. And we can also click the users, and we can see all of the users and their information. Diego did not have this access. We can also edit as needed. Go back, save, delete this employee. Also, if Chuy needed to fire someone to make sure that they no longer have access to the site quickly, they can click this active box, making Diego no longer active, save, and we can see that his employee line in this grid is now a different color, and meaning that he's inactive within our business structure. So if I were to log back out, try to log back in as Diego, we have an unauthorized here. Great, that's perfectly utilizable for a small business. These are things that we need. Now, one last thing that I really enjoy about this website is that using various different technologies, we were able to secure the routes. So let's say you knew the route of the URL. You know that goes .com dash dash notes or dash users, and you will be able to see all the users and go back into your editing page. You're not able to do that just without login credentials. So dash users, we can see without login credentials, we get a not found. And even if I were to log in as a different employee, we just fired Diego, so I'll log in as myself. Oh, well, no, that's not going to work because I made myself a manager in this example. So let's make a new employee. And if we were to make a new employee login, call him Aaron, give him a password, and assign him the role as employee. Going to create him. Google Chrome coming to the rescue for our password. We can see Aaron is an active employee. So if we were to log out, try to log in using Aaron's credentials, and then try to manipulate the URL address. Aaron is not able to go into the users as well. So again, it was a great project to put together. It was a lot of fun. But one of the things that I'm most intrigued about and really most proud of is the security, the practical application of this. It would protect the data and information for a small business user, allowing them to become a better business and become a more uh, efficient functioning business. And that's something that I really hope to be able to share with people and help them out with. So I thank you all very much for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this quick demonstration.